12 to 16-inch turning radius has long been the standard for lawn and garden tractors. Coming up with a turning radius of only 6 inches is a remarkable achievement, and one that could only be accomplished by the full commitment of everyone involved.
From the engineering side, the challenge was to design, test, and launch a new steering system that met the requirements of the customer in the time frame allowed.
With the TTR steering system, we set a new standard in the industry by reducing the turning radius by 50%. By utilizing the existing chassis and axle mounting system, expenses in development were kept to a minimum.
Teamwork and collaboration were the greatest contributors to the success of the team. For the design, it was a group effort for the wheeled ride-on team. There were multiple design reviews, and each engineering group played an integral part in providing feedback and suggestions. The test group, purchasing, and manufacturing groups also played a significant role in helping this project launch successfully and on time.
TTR was originally created for the Craftsman branded products sold at Sears. Sears initially approximated that they would buy 77,000 tractors with the upgraded system the first year. This figure would soon double, however, to 150,000, followed by another 180,000 the next year. Since then, the system has been adopted by many of our own brands and offered to more markets. In 2016, it will be featured on more than 50 lawn and garden tractors sold in the US, Canada, and Europe.
To be awarded the Innovation Excellence Award is a true honor and testament to the ingenuity, hard work, and collaboration that is exhibited in Charlotte and Orangeburg on a daily basis.
The Innovation Excellence Award is an acknowledgement of the ingenuity, hard work, and collaboration exercised in Charlotte and Orangeburg. It is a remarkably well-executed project, accomplished within a tight time schedule and a limited budget. Lost market shares, decreasing sales, and eroding profits inspired the Hungarian sales team to focus on a new marketing strategy for accessories and spare parts. The initiative led to an impressive increase in sales, and the concept has since been transferred to more markets with the same level of success.
Actually, so in 2011, we recognized that the market changed a lot. So we saw that our Husqvarna market share eroded, and we have lessened this market share. So we found out we have to do something on the market because there are more and more non-original Husqvarna products are getting into the market, and we have to find a new way how we will come back and enter into this market segment.
The overall challenge for the sales team was simple enough: to turn the downwards curve around. In figures, the primary goal was to increase the parts and accessories sales by 10% and the gross profit by 15%. A secondary goal was to work out a new sales approach and marketing concept that could be used on other markets as well.
Is the way that how we approach to our dealers. So we do not want to just sell them in the products. We would like to also help them how they can sell out to the customers. Because Husqvarna is a global outdoor product manufacturer, so we help them also the way that how they can sell also Husqvarna spare parts and accessories for non-Husqvarna products, which is also a boost for our sales.
The after-sales team collaborated with regional after-sales and marketing, a cross-functional project team, and brought about a whole new sales approach, packaging, display, and marketing concept.
We found out that it's important that for Husqvarna that we are selling the branded products and the quality, and the way that you can do it is that if you put it in a very nice presentation, and this is actually the packaging helped us about.
This resulted in an impressive 15% increase in sales for accessories and spare parts, as well as increased margins.
So I think that we are on a good track. We feel the support from corporate level as well. We also feel that the historic figures are behind us. We also see that there are products behind us and sales method behind us. We have our ambitious targets. We set ambitious targets for the future, and we will achieve it.
The Business Excellence Award is given to Husqvarna Hungary for its structured approach that resulted in a dramatic improvement. The initiative has already been transferred to new markets, resulting in similar improvements of sales and margins. gain improvements in safety, quality, and productivity, the manufacturing team at the Husqvarna factory Sweden embarked on an extensive transformation to a lean production process.
We created a new team organization around our lines with a team leader structure, 5+1, and I would say this has given us and everyone in the organization a much better understanding of our goals and how to reach them.
Defining clear priorities and following proven methods, the team carefully designed a platform for long-term improvement. This included the creation of a new organization, a value stream-focused factory flow, a proactive attitude towards safety, and a systematic approach to reducing quality defects.
We have also created a tactile flow on our main lines. We are now have a more stable production here, which gives us the opportunity to bring every issues we have, all the deviations to the surface, and we can work with them in a more structured way than before.
Was something happened yesterday during safety, or do you have any improvement point about safety? And that's the first question every morning to everyone in the factory.
In the 3 years since its introduction, the new production process has resulted in a 64% reduction of accidents, an 80% reduction in defects, and a 25% improvement in productivity, with no backsliding.
We created a total new layout where we split forklift path and where people walk. We also implement inline inspection, end-line inspection. If we have had a quality issue, then we have a meeting at the line with the operators, and then we discuss how we can help so he can avoid to do this mistake again.
The ambitions now are to continue these encouraging improvements, backed by distinct action plans.
We are just at the base. Now it's much easier for us to improve the factory.
Our aim is to be better and better all the time, so we want to be on the top.
The Continuous Improvement Excellence Award is given to the Husqvarna manufacturing team for its clear definition of the challenges, its detailed action plans, its systematic approach to restructuring the production process, and the great improvements in all areas covered by the new platform.